Hello again. This video is directed more towards students and parents to see how you access a Pearson Realized lesson through Google Classroom. In another video, we looked at the exact same topic from the teacher's perspective in terms of assigning it, but in this video, we're going to look at what a lesson from Pearson Realized in Google Classroom looks like for the student. So, if you see at the top here, you see this little black band that says stream was updated. That means that there is work that has been posted. So this is a video that I assigned, or an assignment that I assigned in another video. So there are a couple of ways that students can access it. You can click on this from the stream, and it will take you directly to the lesson. Or, I'm going to go back, you can click on classwork, and there it gives you the due date. Click on that, and then you'll see the exact same thing, and then you'll see view assignment. Either way works fine. It's up to you. And then you notice here, there is the Pearson Realized logo, and there's the link. This right here is crucial. Once you are done with the assignment, you will mark as done. That will automatically go to your teacher. For now, let's click on this, and we're going to look at this assignment from the student's perspective. So Pearson is loading. It's going to take you there. If you're a new student to the platform, it might require you to log in with your school Gmail account, but that's a one-time thing to get you connected. After that, you won't have to do that anymore. So this is what the student sees. And as you can see, I only assigned the video. Once you see your wall and you see what's assigned, you have your start date and your due date, and then you have your instructions. When I assign this, this depends on the teacher. I normally assign a separate document, and then the students will share that document with me via Google Classroom. The only thing I normally will use this for, the Pearson platform for, is the actual content. Then you are actually able to play the video, which I'm not going to do. You play the video, and then once you play the video, it's all the way through. Your teacher will then actually be able to track your progress in completing that video and completing any other assignments he or she may assign you. So that's how you access your lesson. Let's go back here. While we're logged in to this account, let's go back and look at, let's see here, your classes. This is the class that lesson, the video lesson, is attached to. This is what you, the student, see when you click onto a course. It looks pretty much like the teacher's account, minus answer keys and such. But the wall it's very simple, very straightforward. There are your assessments at the end. One thing to note, you have access to a workbook. Now this is a 253-page workbook, which I am not printing out for you. However, I encourage you to download it and save it into your drive, because in this reading and note-taking study guide, they include summaries and review questions. So it's another way for you to take ownership of your own learning experience and integrating that in conjunction with anything that your teacher is doing in class. Also, I mentioned in the previous video that you have access to a number of tools. Now, Pearson is constantly updating their work. Let me go back here. There is an e-text that you have access to that I don't see. Let me go back. That I don't see loaded right now. But oh, I know why. I know why. I'm going to go here. You will see the e-text show up. for your assignments. That's why. So this is what you should do. And there is your e-text. Completely forgot to click on that. This is your e-text. So if you don't want to carry your textbook home, you simply click on that and it will say open in a new window. And it's loading right now. And voila, this is your textbook online. Click on menu, click on table of contents, and then simply choose the topic. I always like to do that. These are your topic headings or your chapter headings, and you simply scroll to the topic of your choice. Oops. And then these are the different sections. And that's it. And that's a way for you to read online. Everything that's online, with the exception of the videos, of course, it is exactly the same way, or exactly the same content that you find in your hard copy textbook. All right? But that's all for that. Now, when you go back to Google Classroom, we'll mark this as done. You simply do that. Don't worry about that depending on the directions of your teachers. Sometimes your teachers will have you attach things in Google Classroom. For our purposes today, I did not have this student do that. So when I go back to my teacher account and I see classwork, I will click on this and it will show that it was turned in. So your teacher can click on that and then look at your progress. But that's pretty much it. It's very easy, very manageable. And that is how you access your lessons via Pearson in Google Classroom and turn in work. Thank you.